My name is David Kay and I'm the UK Vice President of Sales for IBM. In that position I'm responsible for about 3,000 sellers, and my job I guess is to make sure that I'm raising the bar of sales performance. Last year was our centennial, so our 100th year in existence, and I think to get to that milestone means that all through those 100 years we've had to reinvent ourselves, to innovate and to continually make sure that we ourselves are also changing and innovating and learning new skills. But essentially we're a multinational IT company, but one that's changed dramatically through the years. I guess I sensed that sustainability, having been shoved out of the limelight in 2008 due to the economic crisis, towards the back end of 2009 was beginning to come back onto the agenda. As such, we have the Sales Eminence training program that covers a number of different topics, and we added sustainability delivered by Cambium into that syllabus over a year ago, and it had a very strong effect. A lot of people found it very useful, and a lot of people found that was something that they could talk passionately about in the market. I guess in short, what it's done is shortcut or provided us a shortcut to people that are serious about this and want help. And of course with the Cambium education we can have the correct conversations and make them more meaningful than they have been possibly in the past. Working with an organisation like Cambium, which is 100% invested in the sustainability message, means that there's almost like a purity of thought and a purity of engagement around this. I think it also helps that as such, they closely monitor legislation, keep in touch with policy makers and think tanks around where this message of sustainability is going, gives us an early insight into things we need to be thinking about when we're going to market. They are ex-IT salespeople, many of them, and that helps them connect with my sales community. They know what sellers are after, they get the messaging across very well, very succinctly, and I think they provide almost like a telephone service to my sellers when they can run past and even rehearse calls or engagements before they even happen. So in summary, I think Cambium have been good for us. I think that they want to see this through, and they want to see IBM make a difference in the UK, and if that drives more revenue sales for IBM, then I think they're also keen on that too.